As you continue to learn data analysis and data science or any of that is of your choice, one challenge that is common to every beginners, I faced it over and over again, and anytime I'm learning a new tool or a new knowledge area, I always face it. And that challenge is, how do you express what you don't know in a way that people will understand your question so that they can answer you? I'm not even talking about people now. Let's take, for example, Google. How do you type on Google the exact keywords that describe what you want to learn or know so that you can have the solution? So you know what your ignorance is, you know what the challenge is, but you don't know how to express it to Google. Did I just say Google? Or do you even take your questions to Google? Wow. If you don't use Google, I'm not sure you're going to survive in this field, because you have a lot of time and a lot of work to do, and one of the work is querying Google, questioning Google, just finding solutions to problems. You can use 30% to do that and later to implement, but it is good that you question Google. So it's better you learn how to do this early enough in your career as you are learning this skill, because you continue to troubleshoot. There's never going to be a time where you mastered everything and for every project you just deliver end to end. No, there will always be one or two things you need to ask someone, or you need to query Google just to get the work done. So it is important. Ask Google. Google is your friend.